Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature a variety of very short hair transformations. So first up we see someone with pink hair. Stylist has the clippers and it looks like she is going to be shaving it all off. Dyeing the hair a new color. Oh, she went with platinum. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. She looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a nice faded pixie cut. Gorgeous design going there in the back, and they are also rocking the platinum bright blonde hair trend. Beautiful line work with this hairstyle. Absolutely stunning results. And here we have another faded pixie cut. Gorgeous shade work in the back. Followed by an undercut. Love the detailing in the back of this one as well. Then we have someone else rocking the shaven hair trend. Absolutely love it. I love the fact that women are embracing the shorter hair. And we have someone getting a pixie haircut for the next style. Oh, very nice. I wish we would have got a longer look at that one, but then here we have another pixie. Gorgeous tapered nape, long bangs in the front, beautiful. And then we have another undercut pixie style. Very nice. And this one does feature a pop of color going in the bangs. Very unexpected. Then we have a bob haircut for the next one. Wow, so the stylist shaved the sides with that one. Very unexpected. We have another stunning pixie. Beautiful classic shape, gorgeous. I love the natural texture mixed in as well. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.